It was cranking but wouldn't start. Let me show you what I did. Here's an ignition switch. The yellow and blue cable was disconnected. It was marking error code 19. It was marking engine code error number 19, and there was loose wire. It wasn't even loose, it was whatchamacallit, it was burnt the fuck out. No code anymore. But before all that, if it cranks, it doesn't start, you definitely want to check the battery. If not, you want to check the relay. Make sure your fuse in there is good. Make sure your wires are well tight in there on the relay. That's always the main issue you want to check. After that, you might want to check the kickstand and see if the wire from the kickstand, you'd have to take this off and check that the wire is good. No corrosion in there. As well as the ignition, you might want to check for corrosion in there. But yep, it's good to go. Also the spark plugs. Definitely want to check the spark plugs and make sure they're not burnt the fuck out. Might not be getting no spark in there. So good luck with your bike, cause mine's good. Code 19. Bye bye.